Okay, so here's the new controls for the steel mill system. These are from ECD Control, and the new feature is that they have a cover here for the touch screens, so in the field they can leave this down or even latch it in case they don't want, you know, dust and grime getting into it. This is the central station. It has audio where it will tell you if it's sent or arrived. This is a send button. Arrival reset. On, off, and test mode. Power on. Over here we have the power switch, right? Main power switch, on and off. And then substation is the exact same. So we're going to give a demo of running these as if the stations were hooked up. This will allow us to have a carrier detected by optic and the door lock, so the doors are closed. We'll give you examples of what happens. So maybe first we show the way it should go, where we'll send from the central with a carrier in the system. So you see here, carrier is detected. It says carrier present locally. So I'm gonna oh, it'll show it the sub as well. Here it says carrier present at main. Let me see, open this. It's hard to focus on the touchscreen. Carrier present at main. So then if we send, go ahead and let's hit send. It tells us it's sent, carrier in transit to substation. Over here we're going to detect it. Hit carrier, which means the optic detects it. Tells the substation it has arrived at the substation. And then we just hit reset to reset the system for operation. It always defaults to system ready when you can use it. So you saw that this substation is telling us it was sent, then it's arrived, and the master station was telling us as well. So now we'll do a scenario here where we send, go ahead Wes, go over. So this lets us know local door is open. Once we close it, carrier present locally. Now we can send. It says carrier in transit to central.
Sent.
And now it's telling us there's like a 5-second delay that it's in transit, it's sent. Over here, if West hits it, the carrier's arrived to the central.
Arrived.
That's what the message says. Carrier arrived to central.
Arrived.
Then we just hit the reset.
Arrived.
System is ready again. And that's basically how it goes. As long you can send with no carrier present, we can show you that just so you can purge the system on air. And if you do hit send with no carrier present, you get this sign, no carrier sending at the sending station. Now Wes can override that and it's still going to turn on the blower, but it will take 22 seconds for it to time out and go back to system ready.
But it could arrive.
But if the carrier was lost and it arrives, you'll get this signal that it did arrive.
Arrived. Arrived.
And then you have to reset it like normal.
Arrived. Arrived.
And there you go.
Arrived.
Let's show this.
So on this screen we have Wes is prompting it to read remote door open. It's hard to focus here. And carrier present at main. So that means when you're at the sub you can tell. So when it has the door open but there is a carrier there. So whatever's happened with the system, if he triggers all these, you can see from every station what's happening at the other stations. So either the door sensors are bad, or the door is open, or the carrier is present. So this will give you all the indicators to know what's happening in the system at any given point. And this is the ultimate scenario when it's ready to be used. System ready. Put the carrier in, it'll tell you. Hit the send button. Pretty easy to operate. We like to say foolproof. And that's the new control for steel mill